So today I'm gonna show you how to change the icon of this folder in Windows. It works in every Windows version. So let's check it out. At first select the folder, then click right, go down properties, and then select customize and change icon. You can change it to classic icons. There's lots of classic and colorful icons. So I prefer to choose this one. This is a very modern type of folder. It looks great. I change when I change it, you see, apply. Okay, you see, it's a very much modern type icon. You can change it to another one. Customize, change the icon, change it to a tree. This tree looks great. It's awesome. Okay, apply. Okay, now you see, it's nice. So this is how you can change the icon of a folder in Windows. It's Windows 10. It works in every version. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.